Hey guys, what is going on? Today we are going to talk about occupation. On a plane, we will see beautiful stewardess and handsome steward. In Chinese, they are 空姐 and 空少. 空姐 is female, 空少 is male. They are all flight attendants. The flight attendants are 空乘. 空乘 are short for 空中乘务员. 空 means sky. 空中 means in the sky, in the air. 乘务员 are people who work on a public transportation vehicle. The captain of an airplane is 机长. 机 means machine. 长 means leader.
你好，女士，欢迎登机。你好，欢迎登机。
On a train, the car attendants are 列车员 or 乘务员. The chief conductor is 列车长. 列车 means train. 长 here also means leader.
谢谢啊。诸位把票上。
On a ship, the sailor is 船员. The captain is 船长. 船 means ship. 员 means member or person. 长 here also means leader. On a bus, we have conductor. 售票员. 售 means to sell. 票 means ticket. 员 you know it. It means person.
老板。
In a restaurant, we have 老板 and 服务员. 老板 is boss. 服务员 are waiter and waitress. 服务 means service. 员 you know it. It is person. 厨师 is chef.
老板，你们这怎么没辣椒啊？这让人怎么吃啊？我这赶时间呢，快点。
In a hotel, we have greeter, 门迎, bouncer, 保安, porter, 行李员, receptionist, 前台接待员. Let me elaborate on these words. 门 means door, 迎 means to welcome, 保 means to ensure, 安 means security, 行李 means luggage. 前台 means front desk. 接待 means reception.
欢迎光临。
六。
In a supermarket, or department store, or shop, the shop assistants are 营业员 or 售货员. 营业 means to do business. 售 means to sell. 货 means goods. In a hospital, we have doctor, 医生, and nurse, 护士. 医 means medicine. 生 means a man or person. 护 means to take care of. 士 means a person. It is often used with other characters to form some words.
主任查房。
By the way, many words we have learned today can be singular or plural. It depends on context. Chinese grammar is a little bit loose. Okay, it's enough for today. Let's review. I will read 3 times. Follow me, please. 空姐，空姐，空姐，空少，空少，空少，空乘，空乘，空乘，空中乘务员， 空中乘务员，空中乘务员，机长，机长，机长，列车员，列车员，列车员，乘务员，乘务员，乘务员，列车长，列车长，列车长，船员，船员，船员，船长，船长，船长，售票员，售票员，售票员，老板，老板，老板，服务员，服务员，服务员，厨师，厨师，厨师，门迎，门迎，门迎，保安，保安，保安，行李员，行李员，行李员，前台接待员，前台接待员，前台接待员，营业员，营业员，营业员，售货员，售货员，售货员，医生，医生，医生，护士，护士，护士。There are more professions. We will learn more in the next video. Please remember these words because you will meet these people in your future travel in China. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found some value from it. Before you guys leave, please smash the like button, subscribe my channel, and turn on notification. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye. 再见。